Hello, everybody. Good morning. Actually, pretty big crowd. So I was asked to talk about the Credorax journey from seed to growth. And when I was thinking about it, I got like through main things that come into mind that I was actually lucky enough to put into a nice acronym of FAR, FAR. So 3 things I've learned that will take your business far. A few words about Credorax just to understand kind of my credential to stand here and talk about it. So Credorax is a European bank focused on providing banking and payment services to omni-commerce global merchants. So we are a licensed bank in the EU, been focused on providing services to online and omni-commerce merchants. When you look at the Credorax story, you can see that we've actually been growing our processing volume in the last 7 years, 20x from the volume we have started. And when you look at something else, talking about new technologies, new businesses, new processes, when we've reached the critical mass of employees to take care of this business, now high as billions and billions of euros every year, we've been able to maintain the same amount of employees for the last 3 years while continuing to growing aggressively our business. Not just growing the same business, but Credorax started as a merchant acquiring bank. And through the years, 3 years ago, we actually established a full-fledged bank providing bank accounts, money remittance services, and such, and also created another company within this group of companies called Source, which basically provides Credorax technology to be consumed by our customers, merchants, directly rather than through consuming our banking services. So if you think about payment gateway, 3D Secure, tokenization engine, anti-fraud, we have done that and started selling that not just part of the merchant services and the banking services, but also as a standalone technology to our merchants and customers. Actually, not all of them have to be our direct merchants. We can sell them the technology for consumption. So talking about going far. The 3 main things that I thought about when we did this journey was focus, adaptability, and resilience. So when you start your business, we started 20 people, your resources are scarce. Every person needs to do exactly what he is providing added value to the business that you come with. Okay? If your business is not logistics, don't do logistics. If your business is not invoicing, don't do invoicing. And definitely, if your business is not payments, don't do the payments. Let the experts do that and focus on what you came to do and provide to the market. The second one is adaptability. All of us here, definitely, right? And I believe around the world, trying to make a difference, trying to be innovative. But the matter of the fact is that innovative ideas, by design, create a shift in the market. This is what we want to create. We do not know how this change will affect us. So we need to face reality for the changes that are constantly going. We are lacking the resources, but still the market around us and the competitors and the consumers and the merchants are changing with us. So we need to adapt. We do not need to fall in love with the dream that we have at the beginning. We need to focus on the target, but keep adapting as we go along. And the third one is resiliency. Okay? The journey, all of you know, right? As its highs and its lows, right? So first of all, enjoy the highs. You deserve it. All of us deserve it. We're working hard. And when some highs comes and meets us, let's enjoy them and celebrate them. Stay focused, but you can enjoy them. But definitely be resilient through the lows. Okay? The ones that actually are resilient through the lows and are able to go through it are the ones that are last standing. Everybody is struggling through this process. So now let's go quickly how we apply these three principles in our journey. So first of all, focus. Since day one, we wanted to become the payment experts to our merchant. This is what we wanted to provide as expertise, as a new message to the market, and provide the added value to our customers. So we have, apart from providing the service as expected, okay, providing the payment processing, we worked hard to implement BI, AI, and technology to optimize approval rates for our customers. So when I go and I focus for years to be able to, within a very short period of time when the merchants start processing with me, to increase their approval rate by 10 and 20%, this is better than any salesperson that they can buy or hire, sorry. And this is what we've been focused on for years, and we are keep on focusing to provide this added value to our merchants. Our customers expect us to provide them secured payments. Yet, we do not just provide, okay, this is a secured payment method, or this is a secured payment way to process the payment, but we also, for example, implemented 3D Secure 2.0, one of the first in the market. Nice. But on top of that, we added a 3D Secure Advisor. It's a machine learning technology that we have developed that online give a recommendation to our customers and our merchants if they should send the transaction in 3D Secure, which has a very low retention of customers going through the process, or should they not send it as 3D Secure. The second thing is adaptability. We have built our processes, our systems from the ground up in a flexible, as a flexible payment method, meaning that our technology, core technology, is built on a scale-out architecture, meaning that when all of a sudden one of our customers grows or we have a good run in a specific region, we can actually scale extremely rapid. We can integrate systems and services to our platform extremely easy and fast. We work with customers that change their business model as they go. They start as just a company and then become a marketplace. These different business models require different solutions, and we have developed a direct method of payment processing, a payment facilitator, marketplace, and provided a lot of technology and processes to help our customers adjust and adapt very quickly to the changes, and we adapt with them. The last one, a partner you can trust. Resiliency, you work, and we've just talked about working within ecosystems of partners. Okay, so we have, as Credorax management team, been doing, entrepreneurship for the last 25 years. And we know when it's hard and when it's happy, and we know how to support our merchants through the lows and not just through the highs. So it's important to choose your partners carefully in order to go through this process. So with that, I encourage you, dare to think far, and enjoy the ride. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Moshe.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.